Welcome to the channel. We are down here at Pamela Lake, a spectacular hidden gem tucked away just off Highway 11 in the rugged wilderness of northern Ontario. Join us as we take to the skies to explore the breathtaking natural beauty of this pristine location, situated within the sprawling municipality of Greenstone. This region is famous for its vast, untouched landscapes, and Pamela Lake is a perfect example of the quiet isolation that makes the Canadian Shield so incredibly special. As we lift off from the peaceful sandy beach, we begin our gentle journey over the remote and tranquil shores of this boreal forest retreat. Rising slowly higher, we sweep across the horizon to take in the sprawling, majestic landscape. You can see the dense, rich evergreen tree lines of spruce, pine, and fir that hug the natural winding curves of the shoreline. The forest here stands tall and silent, acting as a natural barrier that preserves the peace and quiet of the waters below. From this elevated vantage point, we capture the sheer expanse of this wilderness haven. It is a quiet sanctuary renowned for its peaceful isolation and excellent fishing opportunities. Anglers are drawn to these waters for the abundant walleye and northern pike that patrol the weed beds and drop-offs. But what truly makes Pamela Lake a unique destination is its thriving population of splake. This fascinating fish is a carefully managed hybrid of the speckled brook trout and the deep-water lake trout. Regularly stocked here by provincial conservation programs, the splake grows strong in these cold, clean waters, providing a thrilling challenge for anyone lucky enough to cast a line in this serene environment. Dipping our altitude now, we slowly glide down, hovering just inches above the water surface, to look straight down into the crystal-clear shallows. Here, the sheer transparency of the lake is truly on display. We can see right to the bottom, where ancient rocks and the textured lake bed rest completely undisturbed in the quiet depths. These sunlit shallows serve as vital habitats for aquatic life, feeding the robust ecosystem that keeps Pamela Lake so healthy and vibrant. As we smoothly climb back into the sky, the bright sunlight catches the surface just right, revealing the most stunning visual feature of Pamela Lake. We can clearly observe its unique tri-colored waters. Depending on the depth and the light, the surface shifts brilliantly between deep, mysterious blues in the center, vibrant emerald greens along the drop-offs, and warm, earthy tones near the shallow shores. This shifting palette creates a natural living canvas right in the heart of the Canadian Shield. Taking one final sweeping look at the horizon, it is easy to see why places like this capture the imagination. The harmonious blend of the dense green forest, the ancient rocky shores, and the colorful fish-filled waters makes Pamela Lake an unforgettable piece of the Northern Ontario landscape. Thank you for joining us on this aerial journey above the trees and over the water, where nature continues to thrive exactly as it has for thousands of years.
Top of the morning to you. We're here at Pamela Lake. This is 14 kilometers east of Long Lac on the Highway 11. And I'm here because I was told that if you take a picture here on this beach when the waves are going, it looks like you're in a tropical setting. And I'd have to say, yeah, that's exactly what this looks like. The water has this real blue, turquoise kind of look to it, and it's really clear. I flew the drone over it yesterday, and you couldn't tell the same coloring, but it was, you could tell that the water wasn't the same as all other lakes, because it did have a little bit of a hint in the pictures, and it's so easy to tell the deep areas from the shallow areas, even in the drone video. So yeah, this is a pretty neat place to come hang out. There's no signs that say no overnight camping. There's a sign right there that says there's no maid service, clean up after yourself. Kind of makes you sound like it's a motel. And you know, there's some flat spots there to park. There's a nice spot right there to set up a tent. Another nice spot up here. And you got access to the beach. When I was doing the video with the drone, there was a few people down here. But yeah, pretty fantastic looking place. Pamela Lake, Northern Ontario. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed.